Hey everyone, welcome to Storytime with Milo. Today we're diving into the magical world of fireflies with a story about a little guy named Flicker. Flicker wasn't your average firefly. While all his friends twinkled brightly in the night sky, Flicker's light remained stubbornly dim. Flicker lived in a meadow bursting with life. Every evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, his friends would gather, their tiny lights creating a dazzling display. But Flicker, he'd hide behind the tallest blades of grass, his own light a barely there flicker. One night, a wise old owl named Hootbear hooted softly. "Why the long face, young Flicker mumbled, "I wish my light was be brighter. Everyone else shines so much more." Hootbear chuckled, his round eyes twinkling. "Little one, your light is special in its own way. It might not be the biggest, but who knows what wonders it can." Flicker wasn't convinced, but that night something peculiar happened. A tiny caterpillar, lost and scared, stumbled upon Flicker's faint. "Hey, hello!" the caterpillar squeaked. "I can't find my way back to my leaf." Flicker, surprised but kind, offered his little light to guide the caterpillar. Together, they navigated the tall grass, Flicker's gentle glow leading the way. Finally, they reached a cluster of leaves, and the caterpillar exclaimed, "That's my home. Thank you, little firefly." From that night onward, Flicker embraced his unique light. He helped lost ladybugs find their way, guided moths to delicious flowers, and even led a family of fireflies who couldn't find their meadow. Flicker learned that even the smallest light can make a big difference. He may not have been the brightest firefly, but his kindness and gentle glow helped others in their time of need. Milo here, signing off. Remember, everyone has something special to offer, no matter how small. Until next time, keep shining brightly, just like